And good morning, all you great ones. It is a nice, balmy 31 degrees. Feels great, actually, outside. As you know, we have been getting a royal screwing on the motorhome, and we weren't going to let it keep us down. So we piled everything into the Grand Cherokee SRT. We're going to hit the road for our holidays road trip. Of course, by the time you see all this, well, the holidays will be well over with. But we're in Royce City right now. I can never pass up some beaver. And we're going to top off with gas. But anyway, we're going to hit the road for our holiday road trip, and we are headed to Ohio. Yes, as usual, we go north in the winter, and everybody runs south. But nevertheless, not going to let that keep us down. You know what we've been going through with the motorhome and how much they've screwed us over on that, but we were not going to let it ruin our holiday road trip. So anyway, we're going to grab some gas, and we're going to hit the road for Columbus, Ohio. Well, we finally arrived in absolutely gorgeous Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're at the Holiday Inn here. It is beautiful, this Holiday Inn is. As you can see, all the way up there. Anyway, it's a very beautiful hotel. Bowling Green, Kentucky is a very, very long drive from Dallas, Texas here today. We left about 7 o'clock this morning. It's about 7 o'clock now at night here in Bowling Green. But that's day one. That's all we could do. I mean, that's a ton of miles to put down, and we did it real quick. Now, what is really weird is we're staying in a hotel, right? This is a strange experience again for me. Now, I spent about 3 years of my life living in hotels, working down in South Texas, but you know, since we bought the motorhome, right, we don't rely on hotels anymore. So we're out of our realm right now, dealing with hotels and house rentals and stuff like that. But hey, you know the story behind the motorhome. We're not going to keep dwelling on that, right? Wrong. I'm still pissed off about it. But anyways, day one, Dallas, Texas to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're not staying here long. We're only going to be here overnight, and we're headed on up to Columbus, Ohio. But we will be coming back to Bowling Green sometime on this trip. You know, home of the Corvette Museum. Never been, so we're going to try to do that. Maybe Mammoth Caves. Anyway, we got 2 weeks up here, so we're going to be doing a lot of adventuring. And of course, we're headed back down. Once we get out of Ohio, we're headed back down to Kentucky to our good friends Robert and Michelle's house. But I just wanted to share the hotel a little bit with you, because I mean, it is beautiful, guys. I mean, their lobby backdrop. They have Rudolph on the top of the elevator. Santa's on top of the elevator. You can't see it over here, but anyway, I'm just going to share the hotel with you because, I mean, it is beautiful. So we'll take a look. Multi-stories. It's open on the top. I mean, closed in, but it's all glass, right? So anyway, that's it for day one. Welcome to Bowling Green, Kentucky, or well, at least the Holiday Inn in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to head on up to Columbus, Ohio, and we'll see you there.